The solar system was formed 13.6 billion years ago by the Big Bang. A large nebula formed filled with gas and dust. Over time, planets formed. Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago. The first theory of the development for amino acids was through water condensed into clouds forming rain. With an oxygen-rich atmosphere and lightning with thunderstorms, these water droplets with chemical reactions formed the first amino acids, hence formed RNA. The second theory of how amino acids formed was through plate tectonics. Water from the oceans being sucked down with plate movement into the mantle. This now superheated, super mineral dense water was then thrust upwards towards the bottom of the ocean floor. Once the superheated water hit the almost below freezing water, the water drops all of its minerals as substances, leaving vents full of life minerals. The first life on Earth was single-celled bacteria that lived in the ocean. Over time, multicellular life was formed 542 million years ago. At first, life reproduced asexually, but eukaryotic cells began reproducing sexually. Between 440 and 410 million years ago, life moved onto land. Some animals that had fins for water changed to limbs for land and gills for lungs. Your attempt to contact Earth 66 million years ago was a disaster. Dinosaurs went extinct. The meteor killed off roughly 3/4 of the species on Earth. Mammals survived the impact. Mammals had a generalized diet that let them make the most of the remaining food and used the ocean and burrows to survive the meteor. Mammals became the dominant species. Prosimians are the oldest primates. Prosimians evolved from a common ancestor between 60 and 50 million years ago. New and old world monkeys evolved away around 40 to 30 million years ago. Gibbons split off between 30 and 20 million years ago. Orangutans split off between 20 and 10 million years ago. Hominids, along with chimpanzees and gorillas, split off in the last 5 million years. The first evidence of hominids was Australopithecus afarensis, whose fossils were discovered 3 to 4 million years ago. Modern humans came around 100,000 years ago. Humans are related to all of those species. We know this because humans share upwards of 98% DNA with chimpanzees and gorillas. Also, prosimians and all anthropoids have opposable thumbs. All of these species have high intelligence too. Humans evolved the way they did because of our abnormally large brains and the ability to walk and live upright. Compared to other species, our spines were straighter and our brain cavity was much larger. Because we didn't use hands to walk, our hands could be used for hunting and making tools. Also, the discovery of fire impacted humans drastically. Fire allowed us to cook food, which led humans evolving a smaller jaw and allowed humans to get enough energy to power our large brains. The biggest innovation that humans have created is the iPhone, computer, electronic devices in general. These devices change the way we behave, speak, communicate, and work. Electronics cannot be avoided within our daily lives. Everyone has one. Every screen you see is connected to some kind of computer. Scientists say that humans may evolve with less social skills due to the lack of social interaction. Some say it's helping our brains go stronger than they ever have before. It's hard to keep track of evolution and the way it will take. However, one way or another, the digital universe will affect us. What will humans evolve to around in the next 100,000 years, if we are around that long, is a question that has always been there. Scientists say that due to our outstanding dominance, humans will have been able to dominate every other species on the planet. However, scientists say because of the dominance, our brains may grow even larger than they are right now. This means that the brain size will increase, making us smarter. Scientists don't know if a larger brain will make us smarter or dumber. Another piece that the human body is predicted to evolve is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is predicted to straighten, which will drastically decrease back problems within our population.